This is condo kit testing, and what I mean by condo kit is that there's one valve controller. In this case, something new that runs off of batteries. It's controlling two valves. And most condos have a hot water valve and a cold water valve. And this is a good idea because you save costs because you only need one controller. And in many condos, sometimes it's inconvenient to get power to the valve location. So the batteries in this are good for 3+ years. And the same with the leak sensors that will be part of the kit. They're good for 3+ years, and in some cases 5+ years. A leak sensor gets wet and it turns off both valves. There, that's it. I just got a notification on my phone. Internet and Wi-Fi not required. Or any app. I mean, you can connect it to an app and use the internet, but you don't have to. So the system is independent of Wi-Fi and the internet and any apps. That's it.